The election of Catherine Connolly with a resounding victory in the presidential election has prompted a period of soul-searching among coalition party TDs. Some in Fine Gael are calling for an open discussion of what went wrong after what they said was a slaughter at the ballot boxes. In Fianna Fáil, the anger over its campaign, which ended with a shock withdrawal of Jim Gavin, has been compounded by recent poll results showing the party's popularity is dropping. In one poll, it's as low as 17%, exactly where Fianna Fáil was at the time of its disastrous election of 2011. This all points to questions over the leadership of Micheál Martin, questions that will intensify as momentum builds for a replacement sooner rather than later. There's a growing belief in the party that he may not hold on until after Ireland holds the EU presidency in the second half of next year. For now, there is no alternative leader coming forward, with the most likely successor, Jim O'Callaghan, not yet ready to wield the knife, meaning there are in Fianna Fáil many rebels willing to speak out, but for now, they're rebels without a cause.